Good day, everyone. Today, we, the Room 3, are about to discuss to you a very sensitive, widely popular natural phenomenon, the effect of multiple destructive natural and human activities. This is climate change. Before that, I would like to introduce myself and my teammates. I am John Noel Padasas, and I go by the name Code 07 of Room 3. And here is the page where you can meet my teammates. That's it. So let's set the roof on fire, baby. Let's get started with our presentation. Climate change is surely a major environmental problem that we've been facing for a long period of time now. We can experience its wrath when the sun pierces right through our skin, or when the cold makes us want to wrap ourselves in multiple clothing. Localities as well as the countries all around the world have been making efforts and movements to address the phenomenon, for its effects could be highly fatal. Displayed right now in the background is the data of the increase in surface temperature through the years. According to IPCC, or United Nations, through the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change's report, global warming is very progressive and that the surface temperature would increase between 1 degree Celsius and 3.5 degrees Celsius by the year 2100. Such drastic increase might eventually lead to extinction not only of the kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia, but as well as the human existence. We cannot just use technology for a backup plan or to resist these changes. Right now, we must be creating projects and programs to lessen the global warming before its major result of destruction. By we, I mean not only those in government positions, but also everyone should be participating in controlling the climate change. As defined by the United Nations, climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. Presented in the screen right now is the distribution of different emissions of carbon dioxide from year 1990 to 2015. As technology progresses, the release of such deadly chemicals gradually increase. The emission of carbon dioxide as well as the release of methane, nitrous oxide, HFCs or the hydrofluorocarbons, these are commonly used in supermarket refrigerators, PFCs or the perfluorochemicals, which are a group of chemicals used to make fluoropolymer coatings and products that resist heat, oil, stains, grease, and water, and SF6 or the sulfur hexafluoride gas commonly used as an insulating and arc quenching gas in medium and high voltage circuit breakers and electrical switchgear. The next slide show us the top CO2 emitting countries from 1750 to year 2020 from fossil fuels and cement. The United States leading the chart for 24.5%, equating to more than 400,000 megatons of carbon dioxide. If there is an effect, we might as well want to identify the major contributors in the change in climate. Not only natural processes affect the climate, but we could say that the global warming's increase is caused by a lot, by that I mean really a lot of human activities.